Hello, I'm Dr. Vivek Shetty. I'm a consultant gastrointestinal and hepatobiliary surgeon at Chisholm Hospital. So today, as a part of the Hepatitis Awareness Week, I am going to be talking about the impact of vaccine on patients with hepatitis and in patients with cirrhosis. So as we all know, the COVID pandemic has been raging for the last 18 to 19 months, and most of us have been affected in one way or the other. And there have been a lot of queries about whether vaccines are safe in patients who have got pre-existing liver disease such as hepatitis B, hepatitis C, liver cirrhosis due to other causes, fatty liver, and in patients with who have undergone an organ transplant, and in patients with liver cancers. So basically, the evidence on patients with liver disease specifically and and their outcome after the vaccines is lacking. But what we certainly know for sure is that patients with comorbidities like liver disease due to any cause, whether it could be hepatitis, fatty liver, or some alcoholic cirrhosis or some other cause, usually have a poorer outcome, and they are at a higher risk of catching COVID-19. Along with that, they are more likely to have a more serious disease with COVID-19, and the chance of dying from COVID-19 is higher in patients who have got comorbidities, and one of these comorbidities is also a liver disease. So there are no specific adverse events which have been recorded in patients with liver disease, and there has been no increased mortality, no increased complications in liver patients with liver disease that has been reported after the vaccination. So all the global bodies which give guidelines for patients with liver disease, the American Association for the Study of Liver Disease, the European Association for Study of the Liver, and the Global Hepatology Association, all of them have recommended that all patients with liver disease of any cause, even though including those who have received an organ transplant, can go ahead and take the vaccine, and it is safe for them, and no specific adverse effects have been reported. Okay. There are some doubts on the efficacy of the vaccine in patients with liver disease because the global immune response in patients with liver disease is somewhat less compared to normal patients. So there are studies going on in the UK where they are seeing the antibody response in patients with liver disease to the 3 different types of vaccines available in the UK. But this study will take some time and it will not come out before next year. So till then, all the patients who have even taken the vaccine and in case they have liver disease should also continue to have precautions like frequent hand washing and maintaining social distancing and the use of mask. So the takeaway message is that liver disease is not a contraindication for taking the vaccine. Even though you may have received a liver transplant, you can still go ahead and take the vaccine, and don't worry, go ahead, the vaccine is safe and the vaccine is effective.